So today, mukbang doing it's just wings. This is a little sub restaurant inside the main restaurant, Chili's. You know what Chili's is? Yeah, y'all know what Chili's is. Oh boy, this bag hot. I don't know whose them is. Oh,
Is it mine?
them definitely yours.
Oh, I think it's the one. Oh, I'm finna have an L mukbang, bro. I should have stuck with the original flavor.
What's wrong?
I do not like this flavor.
Oh dang. Sorry about it.
Oh, God, this is gonna have an L mukbang.
Sorry about it. So I got classic honey chipotle. Oh, yeah.
Can I have your wings, bro? Or you want to at least get like switch on, so I won't have all L wings.
Sorry about it.
Like I give you 3 of mine, and you give me 3 of yours.
All right.
W brother in the chat, fam. Just cause he doing this, bro. He gonna give me all the smallest ones.
I'm gonna give you all the small ones.
Give me at least one big one. Yeah, that one. That's cool. Then look, I'm gonna give you this too.
Give me another small one. I don't know about these wings too much. Tell them what flavor you got.
Honey sriracha, but it's not the honey sriracha that we was looking for.
That's thought.
Yeah.
Right.
We got boneless wings though.
I don't care. They chicken wings, not chicken nuggets. Calm down. So we got some questions today. First question. Do you like to go on vacation?
Heck yeah.
What's your first favorite place to go?
Favorite place to go if I go on a vacation?
Mm-hmm.
Like you talking about like out of the country or something?
Or out of the state.
Oh, out of the state?
Mm-hmm. A vacation, boy.
Oh.
Get away.
Right, so somewhere I want to go for a vacation?
Mm-hmm.
The North Pole.
Alright, cut that out. I would like to go to the Bahamas. Get in the water. Not on the North Pole. What you gonna do up there?
Oh, the Asian zing ain't that bad.
Hmm?
It ain't that bad.
You got Asian zing?
Oh no, it's not Asian zing. What I said?
Honey sriracha. You want that ranch?
Yeah.
These wings off the chain. And they come with fries too. What's your favorite TV show?
Do WWE count?
I have a couple. Cleveland Show. Young Children. Scorpion.
If they come out as a show, can I use anime?
Yeah.
Naruto.
Anime.
He play anime games though. But he don't want to watch anime.
Right about that. He on this on Roblox.
But nah, my favorite show would probably be Naruto, wrestling. Man, that's about it. I don't really watch too much show. I watch YouTube a lot. Favorite YouTuber is Doug Family.
That was another question.
Oh, favorite YouTuber?
You know, I really don't have a favorite YouTuber because I stopped watching a lot of YouTubers. Have you ever met a celebrity? Yeah, you have. Cameron Jordan from the Saints.
That don't count.
Yeah,
that's
dude.
an athlete.
Well, he's a celebrity. Oh, well. I mean, he's famous.
He famous, but that's an athlete.
Oh, well, yeah. Sorry about that.
And it's not. It was just like a count. It was like we couldn't really like
Meet him.
Yeah.
But do you have a favorite actor? Do you even watch shows and movies?
Adam Sandler probably my favorite actor.
My name Bob Boucher. Can't just cook.
Yeah, honey Chipotle wing fries.
Duh. That's why I got them. Oh, what's your favorite childhood toy?
WWE action figures.
Mine was anything related to cars. I love cars. Hot Wheels, Matchbox, all that. How many shoes do you have? I'm assuming that means a pair of shoes.
About a little under 10.
What's your favorite pair?
My Air Max, the ones I wear every day. Or no. When I was at school, I wear the Air Max every day.
Mm-hmm.
But my favorite shoe is the foam runners. I wear the foam runners like it's crazy. I wear the foam runners on like the last day of school.
Do you want children? I don't.
Yeah, but no, I do, but I don't wanna. Yeah, but no.
What you trying to say? Cause you ain't say you say a whole lot of nothing.
Okay, I say yeah, but like later in life.
Do you like roller coasters? Can't do it. Sorry. As soon as we hit that incline, that decline.
I like roller coasters. No. Not really, but yeah.
Good to know. What is a sport you like the most?
What about you?
I have to say football, rather. Because that's the one I know the most out of all of them.
Yeah, I'd say football.
I thought that would be your immediate answer because you played football for 17 years.
That's not true.
Yeah, it is. What is your biggest fear?
Being a failure, fam.
Probably getting getting shot. That's probably my fear. Yeah, they'll probably be getting shot because I don't want to die of anything other than natural causes. I just want to die of old age, at least 98.
You got a fear of dying?
Not really dying. It's just dying of a gunshot or getting hit by a car or getting struck by lightning 14 times. I don't know what that was, but it wasn't honey Chipotle. Oh, I had to do some of them. It was one of them. What's your favorite midnight snack?
Cereal.
I ain't got one because I ain't never stayed up till midnight. Oh yeah, I have. Playing Roblox. But, there you go. I ain't eat nothing. I just got game with sleep. That's past 2 hours past my bedtime. Actually 3. Maybe 4. Have you ever cheated on the test? I can answer that one. He did. Multiple times. Online school.
Online school don't count.
Yeah,
I
it
mean,
do.
you set up to cheat on online school. In real life, in person school, probably not. I probably don't. No. I done had a little paper under the little table, under my table or something, where I have it in my binder.
See that?
And while the teacher ain't looking, I had a binder right here, and then I reach over, open the binder up, look at it, and write the answers to the test.
Look, all my teachers been nosy every class I had, so I couldn't cheat.
And in my senior year, I used to cheat in front of the teacher. Me and the teacher sat this close from each other. I used to just have my phone on so credit, just getting all the answers.
Crazy.
It's crazy.
Do you like shopping at the mall or online more?
I'll probably say the mall. I don't really go out much, but I am starting to go out more.
Now that you out of school. What do you miss about being younger?
What I miss about being younger? Nothing. You know, the times me and you spent together.
We still spend time together.
Well, you know, like when we used to wrestle and stuff.
Yeah. There's a video on YouTube. Ain't you? Where your old channel at? You ain't got that stuff on there? On wrestling video?
I do.
What is the most trouble you've ever gotten in?
Probably just getting suspended from school back in 5th grade.
For what?
Truth or dare. It was so stupid, bro.
Really? Where in the world? Bunch of monkey mess.
Yeah, that's the most trouble I ever been in. I ain't did nothing crazy. What about you?
It was when we was at this one house in Gulfport. Me and Jaden was playing around by the TV. It was on a tall dresser. And the TV and the dresser fell on both of us.
Dang. For real? I do not remember that. Bro, I be eating my hair and stuff too, fam. Bro, I'm done. This man got 5 wings left.
I only got 4 actually. He wants the big boogaloo.
Heck yeah. Oh yeah. And that's what I miss about childhood too. Zach used to give me his food sometimes.
Yeah, because I couldn't eat all.
And I used to, man.
Because somehow my stomach got like huge and I can eat a lot now. Look, I may be skinny on the outside. On the inside, I'm about 700 pounds.
Dang, what?
About 700. Would you go to space if you had the chance?
Heck yeah.
Man, no, I ain't going up there. What I'm going up there for? It's going to be just like the Titanic.
Oh, we get lost in space. Dang, I sound stupid saying that.
I mean, you can have dreams. But yeah, you won't see me going up there. What if the spaceship blow up and I'm just stuck floating up there in the atmosphere? I might find what's the name, alien. You know, if you could have dinner with anybody dead, who would it be?
Probably Mac Miller.
You like his rap? He was a phenomenal rapper. You like his rap? You like his rap?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, excuse me. What's the best subject in school? It's easy.
Algebra 2.
I ain't had the experience yet, so I wouldn't know.
Oh, you finna take that this year, huh?
Mm-hmm. Future class of 2025.
That's crazy, my God.
Best class of. What you think the best class of? 2025?
Hmm?
The best class is 2025?
Yup.
Because you graduated in 2019.
Boy.
I'm just playing. 2022, 2023 actually. 2023 graduate. Say congratulations.
I'm full now. I'm ready to go to sleep.
Do you have a hidden talent?
Hidden talent?
Not really. Well, I can crack my finger.
Before I had started rapping, it was rapping.
How long would you last on a deserted island?
Deserted island? What's on the deserted island? Nothing.
That's why it's deserted.
By myself?
Yeah,
I don't know. I mean, I should be able to last. I just die of boredom.
I'm gonna die of starvation. That's why I'm gonna be the trouble.
I would have died that fast with starvation. I survived for like.
You're right. I'll kill myself.
I might gotta cut that.
Probably.
Let me ask you some questions now. That you finish your food. What is your dream job?
Probably something I ain't gotta do that much work and get a lot of money.
What's your dream job, Zach?
I don't know, Mr. Jeremiah, Mr. Counselor.
Zach, tell them your real dream
Bro,
job.
I don't know. If I mean for real, I don't think I have one.
I'd say content creation. Or
I can
like,
say that too.
yeah.
That's great.
Being, or, you know what I'm
Being a
saying?
famous YouTuber.
Influencer.
Or being an actor.
Or being an entrepreneur, basically.
What's happening? We back, baby. Oh, more questions.
Oh, shit. Hold on, y'all.
Oh. See, that's why you don't do stupid stuff like that.
Oh, I got one. What's something that you genuinely hate that I do?
I don't know. There's a lot of things you do that I hate.
You know good, bro. You just like everybody else.
Jay,
Huh?
you rolling.
My bad game. My bad game. What is something you want to improve on?
Probably social skills.
Social skills, yes, bro. I just tried to get this dude to go into Chili's and get the food, fam. He didn't even want to. He didn't even have to go talk to nobody. All he had to do was just. Well, he don't got no. Well, did you have clothes on when we went?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, he did. He changed out his whole.
Boy,
fit.
you crazy. I want to keep that on.
But bro, he had the chance to go in there and just go pick the food up. Like, he didn't even have to say nothing to nobody. He could just ask, where do I go to pick the food up? I got a DoorDash order. And then he could have just got the food. I just walked straight to the back, got the food, and walked straight out.
Yeah.
They probably thought I stole it or something. They probably thought I stole it, but I literally already paid for it from the phone.
Heart hurt. Nah. I'm finna eat for the rest of the week. That's crazy.
Who's your favorite sibling?
Probably you.
Oh, I was so surprised that you said that.
Don't even lie. I'm being sarcastic.
Would you rather be able to fly or read minds?
Probably read mine. I'm scared of heights.
I'll probably be able to. I don't want to be able to read people's minds.
Wow, you don't want to see what stuff they're thinking about.
I mean, low key, I could. I don't know. That'd
Like,
be good and bad.
Say for instance, teacher would stand up, asking what was the answer to this problem on the board. Look at her direction. She know the answer in her head.
Yeah, but I'm thinking of like in like a public situation. Like, cause imagine imagine I'm at Walmart. I'm at Walmart, and then it's like a lady in front of me, and then let's say I stink.
All right.
Let's say I smell like I just farted or something, and then the old lady behind me look back at me, but she don't say nothing, but I can read her mind. So, but she think in her head like the most worst thing ever about me, like the worst thing a person could ever say about you. You not gonna want to go punch that lady?
She would call AARP at that moment because you about to die.
And plus, I feel like what's in your mind should be like a private thing.
I got another scenario.
What?
Imagine you on a plane.
Yeah.
A bunch of sketchy dudes sit beside you. You look over in that direction. They thinking, oh, I'm about to blow this plane up. I look over.
You hear it or what? Or you just can read the mind?
I read their mind. Look over. Do I need to leave?
if he's saying he finna blow it up, of course you need to leave. But how you gonna leave? You just and they
and we gonna be in the air too.
In the air.
What that mean? I'm jumping out that plane.
If I'm ever on a plane, I'm gonna always have a parachute with me in my bag.
What you trying to be GTA?
I'm thinking to be safe though, cause you know being in an airplane is 50-50, and if you want to do stuff in life, you gonna have to get on planes, you know.
Yeah, you right about that.
So
like if I become a famous YouTuber.
So yeah, I'll probably keep a parachute or something in my bag.
And with technology today, that would never happen again, probably.
What would never happen again?
9/11.
Speaking of 9/11, I'm probably finna name a song 9/11.
All right, your SoundCloud account is gonna get took off the page.
That'll be messed up.
Yeah. Yo, account.
But look, come here. It just makes sense.
Yeah, and SoundCloud gonna make a lot of sense to turn that into account.
You was funny, bro.
I'm done now. Ooh, I'm so full. See, I fell asleep. See, that what food would do to you. It was good food like that. There's a lot of it. Knock you out. You want done? You want to finish it?
Yeah, we done.
What off?
We ain't got no more questions.
All right.
Where's up there?